In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward email into Slack. This process is a great way to make sure that your crucial emails are always within reach right inside your Slack workspace. Whether you want to keep your team updated or simply manage your notifications in one place, this guide will walk you through the entire setup. So let's get started. First, open your Slack application. You'll want to ensure that you're logged into the correct workspace where you intend to forward these emails. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, find and select Preferences. This is where you can adjust various settings to tailor Slack to your needs. Within the Preferences menu, locate and click on Messages and Media. You'll be scrolling through this section to find a very useful feature. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the option labeled Get Forwarding Address. This is a crucial part of our process as it enables emails to be forwarded directly into your Slack workspace. Once you've spotted it, click the option to reveal your unique forwarding address and then make sure to copy this address. This address acts as the destination for any email you wish to send to Slack. The next part of our journey takes us to your email account. Open up your email service provider and head over to the settings section. Within these settings, you'll find an option to see all settings. This is where we can create email filters to automate the process of forwarding emails. Once you are in the full settings area, look for the tab or option that says Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the area where we'll set up a new filter to handle the forwarding process. Click on Create a New Filter. This will open a new window where you can specify the criteria for the filter. In the To field, paste the forwarding address you copied from Slack. This ensures that all emails sent to this Slack-generated address are processed by the filter. After you've filled out the necessary details, proceed by clicking Create Filter. Make sure you check the box next to Mark as important. This setting ensures that any forwarded emails are promptly noticed in Slack, preventing them from getting lost amidst other conversations or notifications. Finally, finalize the process by clicking Create Filter once more, and you're done. Now, anytime an email arrives that fits under the criteria you've set, it will be instantly forwarded to your Slack workspace. And there you have it, a seamless way to keep all your vital communications in one convenient location. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking.